So student, today we will study the lesson Nationalism in India. In this lesson we will study the map scale one by one. Each places we will see the map. It is given in the map one by one. Each places will be given. Then first we will see Amritsar. Amritsar located in Punjab region. It is at the western part of India and it is famous for Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Second place Champaran. You will see Champaran. It is in Bihar. Find in the Bihar, in the northeastern part of Bihar. It is Bihar, border of Bihar. It is this. You find the Champaran. It is famous for oppressed farming system. It is started by Gandhiji in 1916. And third place is the Chori Chora. It is famous for the kind of called off movement of Gandhiji. It is non-cooperation movement. Chori Chora incident. It is not a movement. Okay, students, so you will keep in mind Chori Chora. It is in UP. This is UP, border of UP, and you find the Chori Chora in northeastern part of UP. It is near the Nepal also. Next one is Lahore. Lahore famous for two reasons. Number one, for the Congress session 1929, where Jawaharlal Nehru had adopted the demand of Purna Swaraj, and second reason, where Lala Lajpat Rai opposed the or boycotted the Simon Commission. Next place is Sabarmati. Sabarmati, you will find the Sabarmati in this place. Sabarmati is the turning point to start the civil disobedience movement, and it is famous for to launch the Dandi March from Sabarmati. You will find the Sabarmati at the border of Gujarat. You will find the border with the Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Find there. It is the eastern part of Gujarat. In Ahmedabad, it is famous for the 1918. You will say the mill strikes by the worker. It was led by Gandhiji, 1918. Then Bardoli. Bardoli, it is the southern part of you will say Gujarat. It is at the border of Maharashtra also. It is famous for no tax campaign. It is led by you will say the famous leader of India. You have to comment the famous leader of India. Then 8 number Dandi. Dandi, it is 8 number. The last destination of Dandi March or the civil disobedience movement. It started from Sabarmati and ended in Dandi. Dandi is the coastal part of India. So the 240-mile distance was covered within the 24 days, and they had reached there in 1930, and they had broken the salt law, and they had officially announced the beginning of Dandi. Kheda, it is in Kheda. You will find the Kheda between Ahmedabad and Dandi, and also this place Kheda and Dandi and Ahmedabad. Find the location of Kheda at the east direction of Ahmedabad. Kheda is famous for 1917 movement, where Gandhiji led this movement against the oppressed system and a revenue system which was very higher, and the farmers have faced the condition starvation, influenza, many of the other diseases. Then Nagpur. Nagpur is in the location in Maharashtra. It is at the border of Maharashtra. Find the location of Nagpur in the Maharashtra border at the east Maharashtra, eastern part of the Maharashtra. Nagpur famous for the Congress session. Then after Madras, Madras is famous for non-justice party movement, and one more congregation was held. You have to comment it which congregation was happened there. Then after Madras, Goodem Hills, very famous in history. It is this movement led by this is not a movement, it is a revolt led by Alluri Sitaram Raju, and you will find the Goodem Hills in the Andhra Pradesh at the near the Visakhapatnam. We find the Goodem. Then after Goodem, Kolkata, it is the new name. And find the Kolkata, it is famous for the congregation. You have to find out the congregation, but it is famous for the many congregation was organized of the Congress party. It was founded in the 1885. And after Calcutta, Kakori famous for the kind of railway dacoity. It was organized by the companion of Bhagat Singh. And after Awadh Kisan Sabha, it was famous in the Awadh province. It was founded by Baba Ramchandra in 1921 and 22, and it was a part of rebellion in the countryside movement, and there were 300 other branches was also founded.